So how do you write a good opinion column? Here are some tips. Active voice is important in opinion writing, as passive voice can be seen as weak and uncertain, which doesn't lend itself to persuasion. Be sure to take a stand. Craft a strong thesis statement that urges action or invites reaction. Avoid broad, bland platitudes like support America or study both sides of the proposal. You'll want to stay focused. Poorly written opinion columns stray from their original argument, including details that don't support the thesis or confuse, or even worse, bore the reader. As I've already mentioned a few times, use research to support your arguments. Attack issues, but not people. Avoid name-calling and mudslinging. Don't resort to cheap shots that often just make you look petty. A column titled, "Why My Physics Teacher Deserves to Be Fired" has no place in a student newspaper or any newspaper. And finally, write a strong lead and a solid conclusion. Grab our attention with your lead and sum it up smartly in your final statement.